So here I am back in Bangkok International Airport, and I am waiting for my Grab at the Grab pickup point. So if you're going to use Grab, you do have to go to the Grab pickup point to get that, but runs pretty smoothly considering it's so late at night with the amount of people. Really keeps things moving along. Good morning. I have been back from the Philippines for almost a week now. I think it's been a week. I spent a day in Bangkok before I came back up here to Chiang Mai. And so today I'm going to go over to Ram Hospital. I'm going to get all of my, hopefully all of my, if not, I'll schedule anything that I can't do today. Get my health checkup done. So I want to get all my blood work done. I haven't eaten since last night, and get all of that stuff done before I go back to the U.S. For the holidays. All right, so let's see how today goes. My Grab dropped me off right at the hospital, and when I asked the security out front, he just told me to have a seat. So right outside the hospital is a bench, and it'll say health check-in, and so I sat on that bench. And then all of a sudden this golf cart just comes. I guess it makes its rounds between the hospital and the health checkup center. And so I got in there, and then they drove me over to the health checkup center. Okay, so just to recap, I caught a Grab to the hospital. And there's actually it's only a couple blocks over. There's actually a health checkup center. That's where I really should have gone. But if you do end up just going to the hospital for convenience of walking or whatever, then they do have the golf cart that will take you over to the checkup center. And then once you get in there, so I just walked in. I did not make an appointment. I did fast the night before, and I just walked in and said that I was there for a health checkup. It was about 9 o'clock when I got there, so it was still pretty busy from the morning fasters. And then I waited, I don't know, maybe 2 or 3 minutes. And then they took me back to a room with, she's probably more the business person, and they discuss all of the different packages of testing that you can have done. And then there was a couple other things that I added to the package. So I didn't get the basic package. I didn't get the super package. I got kind of the middle of the road one based on my age and my current health. And then I had them add a couple different blood tests in there, and also like a mammogram and stuff. So you can add those things a la carte to an existing package. Once you have decided on the package that you want, then they go and they'll do your normal kind of intake stuff that you would if you go to the doctors. They check your weight, your blood pressure. They even checked my eyesight with an eye chart. And then once you go through there, then they take you back to a different area where that's where you're going to kind of have some of your other tests that are done. So in this next clip, I'm just hanging out and waiting to be called in the waiting room. And I'll just kind of go over a little bit. I didn't want to film a whole lot in the hospital. It was busy when I was there. There was a lot of people. And I do, even though I vlog, try to be respectful of people's privacy, especially in circumstances like that. And that includes the staff that is there as well. So once I got called back, one of the first things that I had done was they did an EKG, and then they do a little bit more of an advance. My blood pressure always runs wonky, and it always runs high on one arm and low on another. So I had opted, it was part of my package, to have an advanced blood pressure test. And so I laid on this table, and then I had a blood pressure cuff on my left arm, my right arm, my left leg, my right leg, and all 4 cuffs inflated at one time, and then one side inflated, and then the other side inflated, and it gave them more of an accurate baseline than when you just have it done in the moment. I'm trying to think what else I had on the first floor. I think that was pretty much it at that point. And then after I was done on the first floor, then I was taken upstairs, and that's where you're going to any x-rays or ultrasounds that you're going to have. So I got these really cool jammies, and I'll show you a picture of me in the really cool jammies. And then I went and I had my mammogram. I had an ultrasound of all of my internal organs. And then you're going to do like your urinalysis test. And I think that was it. But any other type of like x-ray, ultrasound things you're going to do, they're just going to take you up to the second floor, and then you're going to have those done, and then you'll change out of your cute little jammies, and then you'll go back downstairs. So now I'm back downstairs, and I'm just waiting. I have you know, another couple, one or two things I think left on the list. It did turn out that I did need a minor surgical procedure. So then what happened was, when they asked me if I wanted to do it now or if I wanted to schedule an appointment and come back the next day or whatever, I'm like, well, I'm already there. And that was the only thing I had on my agenda for the day. So the nurse walked me out with me. She walked out with me with the paperwork, and the golf cart came, and we got on the golf cart together, and they took me back over to the hospital, and she gave the paperwork, and I went in, and within, I want to say, an hour and a half, I went in, had my procedure, and was let go from the hospital. So from there, I didn't need to be back at the clinic until 4 p.m., by 4 p.m., to get my results. And so then I went and had some lunch before I went back. There's nothing like a beautiful walk along an ancient wall on your way to go grab some lunch. So after I took my little walk and had my lunch and went back to the health clinic, that's when I got to meet with I paid my bill at that point, and then I got to meet with the doctor and went over all of my results. The results from my ultrasounds, the results from my mammogram, the results from all of my blood work that I had done, my urinalysis, everything. So from start to finish, from the time that I walked in the door around 9 a.m., I walked out at 3:45 from the health checkup clinic. That is having basically a full top to bottom, inside and out, with a minor surgical procedure done all in one day. And I had a nice little binder that had all of my results. And then the next day I also received it via email. So I had it electronic. So it was a very good experience for me. And my total for everything, I believe, was around $522. I did not use insurance. I paid out of pocket. It was a little over $400 for my health checkup, and that included some of the additional things that I got, the additional blood work and stuff like that. And then I believe the surgical procedure that I had at the hospital came down to about $80-something. I will put the correct figures, whatever side, this side or this side, and I'll make sure that you have all of that information. But if you're definitely in Thailand, I mean, it was phenomenal. I didn't wait more than a few minutes between. It was kind of, I don't know, it was like moving through stations. It was like, okay, you've had this blood drawn, now we're going to take you up to ultrasound, and now you're going to have this ultrasound done, and then we're going to take you to this room, and then you're going to have this, you know, x-ray, whatever it was. It just kind of just moved, and it just flowed, and to just walk in off the street and basically know everything about my health within a 6.5 hour period of time with a lunch break in there. I certainly can't complain. So I'm completely pleased, and will highly recommend that if you're in Thailand and you're due for some medical checkups or whatever, definitely go over to Ram Hospital or the Health Checkup Center.